First pollock of the trip. Look at that. So there's the lure in its mouth. Oh! Right, I'm changing over to this lure over here. That's the brand there, Shoal Shad. It's a weedless lure and a little bit of a heavier head, so hopefully it will work.
C'est sur le poteau là.
Un peu. C'est juste avant. On. C'est bon, je filme. Let's go. Let's see this guy.
Wow.
Little young one. Just look at him there. Wow. There you have him. Nice wee pollock. Just casted that new lure out, literally a couple seconds. There you have him. Send him back. There we go. Another fish. See this one? Ah, he's a bit nicer. Actually, it looks like the exact same fish.
Regarde-moi.
Look at that there. There you have him. Probably same size. Off he goes. Ouais.
On va la pêcher. On va la pêcher une bonne tenue.
I think this is a bigger one.
Moi aussi, moi aussi.
No! It fell off! Oh no! Oh! Yeah, he's got one on.
Not big. Huh? Not bad. Oh!
Oh, coalfish.
Huh? Is it coalfish?
Ici, yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa! Oh,
Tu tiens ma canne?
ouais, je tiens.
Oh, il l'a bien avalé lui. Hop, mince, il faut le lâcher. Il est bon?
Mm-hmm.
Good news.
There. Oh!
Hein? Il est tout petit? Montre-moi.
There we have one.
Hein?
Fin. There's a wee pollock.
Un gros?
What?
Aha.
There. I think we have a bigger one. Yeah. It's a big coalfish.
Oh wow, il est bon.
Uh-huh.
Il est comme le mien.
Wow. What?
Voilà.
There you go, guys.
Regarde là, en fait, on a plus tellement de bait. C'est grand chose.
Mm-hmm. Voilà.
Il est petit.
Oh, yeah.
Il est gros?
Oh, non.
C'est joli. Mais il est petit. Lui, il a le droit de retourner.
Mhm. Whoa. Uh-huh. That's a big fish on the pink rod. Yeah, look at that size of that pollock. A nice one, finally.
Wow.
Look at that. That's what we're here for. Gonna keep this one for the table, guys. It's gonna be dinner.
Yo.
Yeah, this one's a big one, guys.
Wow.
Yeah, look at the size of this one. Nice big golden one. Look at him there. Oh, look at that. That's nice fish. Oh. There's a nice pollock. There you go. Nice one.